One problem that I have constantly faced, be it during my weight loss journey, after that, even today, is snacking. Like, when you feel hungry in the middle of the day and you don't know what to eat, and you open the fridge and you randomly eat anything, that is something that even I go through, and that is unhealthy snacking, and it is not good at all. Even if you follow your proper breakfast routine, lunch routine, and dinner routine, but in the middle of the day, you open the fridge and you randomly eat anything in any quantity, that is not good, and that will lead to weight gain. So today I'm going to tell you guys 8 to 10 really healthy snacks that you can eat during the day, that are affordable, that are easily available, and that are really yummy. Hi everyone, I am Jasmine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's jazz it up. Now, the first option that I have with me is packed with nutrition, loaded with fiber and protein. I think this is underrated because everyone knows about it, but I hear very less people talking about it, and that is chana or black chickpeas. This is a great option if you're vegetarian, if you're vegan. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom used to tell me horses have black chana, like it gives them so much energy, they're so strong, look at their hair, it's so shiny, it's so glossy. I mean, that is the power of black chana. Around 100 grams of this has 20 to 25 grams of protein, which is amazing for your daily intake. The calories are low, high in fiber, so great for your gut health, for your digestion. This will keep you fuller for a longer time. So I think this is an incredibly healthy option if you feel hungry in the middle of the day. Also, you get this in different flavors outside, so you can try that as well. Now, the next option that I have is a superfood. It is for all the gym lovers. It is for all the people who love their protein. It's a natural source of protein, extremely affordable, and it is an egg. You guys have no idea how nutritious this is. Two boiled eggs will give you a lot of nutrition. Make sure that you eat all of it, even the yolk. It is extremely low in calories. It will give you all the protein that you want, and you can get variety with this. If you want boiled eggs, the best, I feel, with a little bit of salt, will make you feel like full for a longer time. If you want, you can make an omelette, add vegetables, add cilantro, add spices, and this becomes really great. It can also be a meal option. So if in the middle of the day you're hungry, just take like a toast and two boiled eggs and you're done. You can have it with avocado as well. Packed with nutrition, easily available, really affordable, will give you your daily dose of protein and nutrition. So egg is another healthy option. Now, the next snack is something that I personally love. I consumed it a lot during my weight loss journey because I would feel like I'm eating popcorns, and they are makhana. They're also called lotus seeds. If you guys haven't seen it, it looks like this. They are loaded with calcium, they're loaded with iron, they're loaded with magnesium. Extremely good for your bones. They keep your bones strong. They are very, very high in antioxidants and also give you your daily dose of fiber. Now, there are different options in this. I would not recommend you to buy the packet ones because they have flavor like, sour cream, spicy. Don't do that because you will eat the entire packet. It's not good. It has a lot of sodium. It has a lot of preservatives. So you can get the kacha makhanas, the ones that are not cooked. Get them home, add a little bit of butter, put the makhana, fry it for a little bit of time, add a little bit of rock salt and black pepper, and this is so good, you guys. Calcium, magnesium, iron, fiber will keep you full for a long period of time, and you'll feel like you're having popcorns. I have seen all the actors, the models have this, and this is really, really nutritious. Next one is also one of my favorites. I just love eating it. You get it in protein bars, great source of fat, and good old peanuts. Now, peanuts are extremely high in fiber and vitamin E. Now, there are good fats and there are bad fats. Like bad fats like chips and sugar and white rice. You don't want to eat a lot of it, like fried food. And then good fats like peanuts, avocados. So, this is a really, really healthy option. It also lowers the risk of diabetes and reduces inflammation in the body. So if you feel bloated, if you feel heavy, so instead of eating all the junk food, just try eating a handful of peanuts, and it'll keep you full for a long period of time, and it'll give you a lot of energy. Also, you can make a lot of snacks out of it. You can make protein bars, you can make like healthy laddus at home, you can also make butter out of it, which brings me to peanut butter. So the next healthy option for snacking is obviously peanut butter. You can just take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and have it, and it'll keep you full for a longer time. You can have it with a toast, that is also great. This peanut butter is by My Fitness. It's called the original peanut butter crunchy. It is an energy booster with zero trans fats, rich in protein, healthy fats, and a source of dietary fiber. So if you feel hungry, you can just take a bread, a slice of bread, toast it, add peanut butter and have it. Or you can just have like a peanut butter, just 2 tablespoons of it with maybe black coffee, and you'll feel so energetic and so happy. Now I have with me something that's incredibly yummy. I love to have it. Also, I live in Bombay, so this is like a street food. This is so, so, so good. And it is bhel. You can see how excited I am. But there is a twist to this bhel. This one is ragi kurmura, so this makes it even more healthier. Now, I feel bhel is an incredibly healthy option. A, it is low in calories, high in fiber. When you add tomatoes, you're adding vitamin C. When you add a potato, you're adding potassium. When you add onion, you're adding a vegetable. When you add the chutney, when you add mint, coriander, and when you add spices, so it becomes like a fat burner. And if you want a sweet chutney, make sure that it has a dates or jaggery in it and no sugar, and bhel becomes such a healthy option if you're fasting, if you're a vegetarian, if you feel like eating something that's spicy, if you feel like eating something that's tangy and something that is low in calories. Bhel it is. Trust me guys, you will not gain weight, you will feel fuller, you will feel happier that you've eaten something, and it will end all of your cravings. So bhel is an amazing option. So the next option is one of my favorites. I think I've eaten it the most during my initial weight loss journey days, and everyone at home just calls it my snack. So the first ingredient you need for that, biscuits. Now these are not regular biscuits. Regular biscuits, cookies are not good, a lot of sugar, fried, not nice at all. But these biscuits are different. They're called cracker biscuits. They are Britannia's Nutri Choice sugar-free cracker biscuits, zero trans fats, no added colors. When you eat them, at first you will not like the taste, very bland, no salt, nothing, and they're very rough. So it takes a lot of time to bite it. But once you get used to this, they're amazing. Can I show you all how I would make them? Oh God, I suddenly remember like my weight loss days. So the biscuit looks somewhat like this. And the next thing you want to do is take a slice of cheese. Now, cheese is extremely healthy if taken in moderation. You don't want to eat a lot, you don't want to overdo it. Great source of calcium, protein, high in vitamin B12. And it's really yummy as well. And then you want to put the cheese slice on the biscuit. I would also add like tomatoes and onions, and it would taste yummy. Mm, this is so good. Now, last but not the least, for all my sweet tooth lovers, dark chocolate. Like you guys can see, this one is almost done. Now, let me tell you, I have tried all the healthy cafes. I've tried those protein ice creams, the healthy tarts, the pastries, the protein bars that they make that they claim are sugar free. Nothing. They're only going to help you to gain weight. So, do not eat anything that claims to be healthy and has chocolate from outside. The only thing that genuinely helped me was dark chocolate. And remember, anything that is 70% or above 70%, if you have a dark chocolate that is 40%, 50%, 60%, it's not going to help you because it has sugar. So take a dark chocolate that is 70% or above, preferably lint. So this will make sure that your sweet cravings are gone. You will feel happier, you will feel healthier, extremely low in calories, and also really good for your health, for your hair, for your skin as well. So, my loves, this was the final video. I've given you all of the healthy snack options that I eat, but you have to remember, make sure that you eat them in a restricted quantity. Please do not finish an entire slab of dark chocolate or an entire packet of bhel. You will end up gaining weight. Anything in excess is not good. So all of it in moderation will really, really help you out. I hope this video helped you guys. I love you all and see you all super soon.